Hello everyone! Welcome to Old Madagascar, the channel where you can listen to Malagasy stories and Malagasy tales in English. Today's story is How Dogs Became Pets. It's a Malagasy tale translated and narrated by Heinju Slack. Happy listening! One day, a man went to plant pumpkins on an island swarmed by crocodiles. He believed that nobody would cross because of the crocodiles, but the truth is that he had very strong charms against crocodiles, and nobody would steal from him. One morning, he went to take care of his pumpkin field. But the moment he set his feet in the water, a crocodile grabbed him with its huge jaw, banged him on the water, and sank him. Apparently, the man's charms against crocodile didn't work that day because the crocodile was starving. Meanwhile, a dog was walking by when the crocodile knocked the man out. The dog wanted to trick the crocodile and asked him, "Hey dude, can I hold it so that we can share because I'm starving?" And the crocodile replied, "Let's share if you are that starving." "Thanks, dude, but I can't swim. Can you bring it over here to the margin so that I can eat it from here?" "Are you going to let it go?" the crocodile asked, a bit worried. "No, I'm not," the dog assured him. "I would not let go of food that's already in my mouth." The crocodile believed in the dog's promise and gave the man to him. However, once the dog received the man, he told him, "Go home." The crocodile couldn't believe in what had just happened. He was so disgusted by the dog's lie that he promised himself that he and his descendants would eat dogs and their descendants from then on. As for the man, he made a solemn promise and told his children and his descendants, "If you still want to be my children and descendants, you should take care of dogs." This is how crocodiles and dogs became enemies, and how man started having dogs as pets. Thank you for listening. Bye.